Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying you are authorized to change downtime. Never attempt to circumvent someone else's controls. Once ownership is confirmed, gather the Apple ID and password tied to screen time and ensure a current backup exists so you can restore if needed. Make sure the device is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Now open Settings and go directly to screen time so you can pursue legitimate recovery options or contact the account holder without delay. Once in screen time, choose Change Screen Time Passcode and follow the official recovery prompts that rely on the Apple ID. This is the supported route and preserves security. If recovery is unavailable, contact the account holder to enter credentials or request they disable downtime. If the device is yours but credentials are lost, prepare proof of purchase and schedule an appointment with Apple support or an authorized service provider. They can assist after verifying ownership. Complete the process by setting a new screen time passcode and reapplying desired downtime limits. If recovery fails, restart the device and make sure iOS is updated, then attempt recovery again. Many issues resolve after a reboot or update. If you must factory restore, do so only with the owner present so activation lock can be removed using their Apple ID. If any of this sounds impossible, contact Apple support. Technical help exists, but only for legitimate, authorized cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.